So first of all, to make this mini hoverboard, I'm going to take some hot pink polymer clay and roll it out with my plastic roller. You can also use a wine bottle or something if you don't have a roller. But anyways, I'm going to roll that out to around maybe 3 inches. So once I'm done with that, I'm going to print off my hoverboard template, which once again you can grab down into the description below, or you can simply Google search it. And I'm going to print mine off to size around 3 inches. If you want to make it bigger or smaller, you can do that in Canva or another software application. But anyways, I printed off a few copies, and it's probably a good idea to do that because I've actually made this before and it was kind of bumpy and crappy toward the end, so I would suggest using cardstock or some thicker paper than the paper I just used. But anyways, once you cut out your hoverboard, the bottom and the top, you're going to simply place it on the polymer clay, and using a knife or some type of clay tool, just simply cut around it, kind of like a cookie cutter. Looking back at this video, I probably should have made the polymer clay a little thicker so it would have been easier to cut, but I think I was just so focused on my camera, making sure everything was in focus. So that's just a lesson learned for me. So once you cut this out, you want to make sure the polymer clay is smooth, so smooth it out with your fingers, or if you have any clay tools, you can do that, but try to get rid of those rough edges. So after cutting it, you want to place that in the oven according to your baking instructions. And then once it's cooked, all you gotta do is glue those two pieces to the polymer clay board. So you got the bottom part where the magnets are, or the fake magnets, and then the top part. Another thing I did was add some of these magnets to the bottom to make this a little bit more realistic. And I got these little magnets off Amazon, and then I simply just glued them to the bottom of the fake hoverboard. So I thought that looked kind of cool. So once again, I'm glad I printed off a whole bunch of templates that I can use, because this one ended up a little bumpy and ugly on the top, probably because of all the glue. So I should have used cardstock or thicker paper. That would have looked a lot better. You could also use cardboard to make the hoverboard if you don't want to use polymer clay. But anyways, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.